So channel 1. Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you. Go on, give me one more shout. And again.
Bravo, bravo.
Yeah.
Man, that's just a good idea, mate. Push the number.
Well, yeah, you can literally all you have to do is just fucking kneel over and go.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll probably end up doing it all because some sniper laid down on me.
Yeah, mate, I should have took that fucking thing off.
See what I've done with my gloves? I've worn them in.
Just thinking if there's anywhere else I can stick some of this tape on it.
Yeah.
Not really, is there?
I have got in the
Are
bag.
you getting shit coming down
Yeah.
your mic?
I have in the bag and the rucksack. I've got like it's a woolly gilly hood thing that can go over it. Like a sheet, like different colour browns and greens. It's not the best.
Well,
But
if I'm looking at that,
yeah,
I may like take this tape off,
Yeah.
respray it black,
yeah,
and then the main body,
yeah,
you know, obviously I'll take the scope off,
yeah.
torch, tape everything else up, probably take the handle, and the main body I'll just like camo spray
Yeah.
it.
I mean, spraying is so easy to do. It's just you've got to cover up your main trigger
Yeah,
and anything that could affect the firing mechanisms. Obviously, your scope, you take the scope off each side, your nozzle, and actually just, you know. I will do this eventually on this one, I reckon.
you can sort of get the, Jesus Christ.
I just get used to it. I mean, nightclubs and I'm used to it.
So, yeah, getting loads of buzzing.
Yeah, feedback.
Yeah, you can buy like the actual
In area. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
like designs, can you? Just
Yeah.
spray like leaves and stuff.
Yeah. I mean, the best way to do it is you get some natural white bracken. Yeah. Best way to do it.
What, and then
And
spray
grass.
o-
And
yeah,
put it
just
on
like-
and
yeah,
spray
yeah.
over it.
Stuff like that for a piss.
Yeah, mate,
Yeah,
go
yeah,
for it. Go
mate,
for
yeah.
it. Go for it. I like his trigger thing.
Punisher.
Yeah. I feel a lot better compared to what I was last time.
Yeah.
Last time I thought I'm a bit of a fucking newbie here, like, you know. Got all them in the tent, they're all on social, weren't they? They didn't talk to us. I think we had
They were
one.
sort of-
We had one
sort
guy
of
with a
like-
sniper running with us.
Yeah.
He was
The
alright.
rest was sort of, at least this time.
Yeah, well, everyone was mixing that. So that drum mag there, look, I need to done there. Umbrella.
Yeah, I know. But yeah,
Yeah.
just thinking on the struggle. Ah, should be right.
Yeah, it should be. I mean, it's holding tight,
I've
isn't
got
it?
3 mags in
The bottle. Yeah.
either side. Usually that. Like that bit slots over,
Shit, that goes over that. And then,
and that goes in.
fucking hell. And then, there you go. Done. I don't know what design. I think that's a German design, maybe. I don't know. All I've ever known, like DPM, British DPM.
Like your little
Mate.
Punisher sign, mate.
Yeah, I was about ready to go. Oh, man, keep talking, mate. First festival or been before?
First time.
Oh.
Actually quite new to Airsoft.
It's good, isn't it? Well, same. We did one match during lockdown to get a new cars and that, and then the guy busted in and sold out.
Do you reckon we can change the channel?
Yeah, mate, yeah. Channel 7 you're not allowed on. Channel 7 is the
Because
stewards.
I'm thinking everyone's going to be on channel 1, isn't it? You reckon?
It'd be good if they said, right, Bravo Channel 1, Delta 2.
Yeah.
That's
they've
how
sent that out. There
Have
should
they?
be, yeah, each team should have its own channel. Channel
Oh.
7 is the Marshall.
Yeah, yeah.
Channel 6 is something
Right, I'll
else.
have to ask, yeah. Because we're getting all sorts down here.
We're getting
On
forced
channel
through back
1.
here.
Yeah, it's actually the Marshall channel you're on. I mean, everyone could just then switch
Yeah,
out and
yeah,
listen to everybody's channel.
Sorry, mate. What channel are you on?
No idea. Everyone
Oh, right. Apparently we've got
Rival one.
separate, individual channels for Delta, Bravo,
Yeah.
others. So.
We're on like a rival channel.
All right.